Basic operation. Power on. Single tap the power button, device powered on. Zeroing. Single tap the power button to tare. Switching weight units. Double tap the power button, you can switch between gram and ounce. Timing. Single tap the D key to start the timer. Single tap the D key again to stop the timer. Single tap again to reset the timer. Device information. Double tap the D key to view device information. Power off. Long press the power button to turn off the device. App installation. There are 3 methods. Method 1, directly scan this code to download. Method 2, you can also download it by scanning the QR code on the user manual. Method 3, search for DiFluid Cafe and download it from the mobile app store. App connection. After device's first connection, the app will automatically find your device by showing a pop-up window for connection. Devices connected before will automatically be reconnected. You can also scan the product QR code to connect. If you have more than one device, you can also search via Bluetooth to connect the one you want. App settings. You can find product's SN code and firmware version in this page. Update. Click to update. You can upgrade it via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. We recommend Wi-Fi upgrade option, which is faster. Vibration filter. 5 is the highest level. The higher the level, the stronger the resistance to vibration, with the relative existence of hysteresis of weight readings. Level 3 is recommended, which has the most stable performance. Auto-detect timing. When switching between the 3 modes, make sure the scale is zeroed out. Off. Single tap the D key to start the timer. Single tap the D key again to stop the timer. Single tap again to reset the timer. Manual. Ensure that the scale is zeroed out and not being used. The automatic timing will not be triggered without A being shown on display screen. Press the D key to start the automatic timing, and the A icon will appear on the screen. The scale will automatically start timing once it detects water flow. On. Ensure that the scale is zeroed out and not being used. Switch to on. The A icon will be shown on the screen. The scale will automatically start timing once it detects water flow. Auto-detect timing mode. Select low flow mode. This mode is suitable for espresso machine scenarios. Low flow coffee drops can also be detected and will automatically start the timer. Auto stop timing. Turn on auto stop timing. Removing coffee server from the scale will trigger auto stop timing. Putting coffee server back on the scale will restart timing to compensate for pause. Off. Removing coffee server from the scale will not trigger auto stop timing, and you need to manually tap the D key to pause the timer. Unit lock. Turning on the unit lock mode will disable units conversion on device. You need to switch on the app. Fractional digits display. The device will not show number after decimal points if fractional digits display is off. Flow rate display. The device will not display flow rate if flow rate display is off. Auto off. You can set the auto off time from 1 to 10 minutes. Beep sound. There will be an adjustable beep sound every time you turn the device on. Screen refresh rate. The higher the screen refresh rate is, the faster the values on the scale will be refreshed. Range. The adjustable range is from 1,000 gram to 3,000 gram. Charging and maintenance. We support charging while using. Note that the charger must be connected while the scale is switched on. In addition, please ensure that no water goes in charging port during use. If you plan to stop using it for a while, please fully charge it before doing so.